Welcome. If you manage a Telegram group and want to make your chats more organized, the new Topics feature is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you how to allow members to create topics in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. This update is perfect for keeping conversations focused and easy to follow, especially in large communities. First, open Telegram Web on your PC and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the group where you're an admin. Remember, only admins can change these settings, and your group needs to have more than 200 members to use the Topics feature. Now click on the group's name at the top of the chat window. This will open the group details. Look for the edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil, and click on it. This takes you to the group's settings menu. Next, find the permissions section. This is where you control what members can and cannot do within your group. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Create Topics. By default, this might be turned off. To allow your group members to start new topics, simply enable this option. Once you've enabled Create Topics, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Now, your group members will see the option to create new topics, making it much easier to organize discussions by subject or interest. With topics enabled, your group chat will be divided into separate spaces for different conversations. Each topic works like its own mini-chat, complete with separate message history and notification settings. This helps reduce clutter and makes it easier for everyone to find and participate in the discussions that matter most to them. So, if you want a cleaner, more organized Telegram group, take advantage of the Topics feature today. Enable topic creation for your members and watch your group transform into a more engaging and manageable community. Thanks for watching and enjoy the new update.